So today I'm going to draw an epic doodle about Batman. If you know me personally, then you will know I'm Batman. And not this one, not this one. Anyway, here are they. The reason I like Batman is because he is a superhero without any superpower. Sort of.
What are your superpowers again? I'm rich.
XUE HUA PIAO PIAO 北风萧.
Okay, before we start, let's gather my drawing tools. I always like to go to Instagram and look for inspiration and figure out what I want to draw first. Okay, let's jump into it. Planning done? Let's draw it on the sexy sketchbook. First, I'm going to draw my character wearing a Batman costume. Sketch is done. I'm too lazy to draw the detailed sketch now. Don't worry, let's try this trick. Sketching done, it's time to ink.
I know sometimes I let my pride get the best of me, thinking we got telepathy, working on it every day, but I don't know what's next for me. Wish I could have everything, but nothing in this life is free. Gotta dig my heels in and think about what's best for me. I know you have your doubts and trust me, I got them too. I know it's getting hard, but babe, I believe in you. We're gonna make a fall, I promise that's what we'll do. I'm getting back on track, I promise, babe, you will too. Getting back on track, getting back on track.
Inking done. You all know what it is. It's time to draw a sexy line.
Rose. Oh yeah, I'm finna pop. Yeah, baby, hit the spot like summer and some dipping dots. Jackpot sound coming at you through a different slot. You can try your luck, but end up missing from a liver shot. Ooh yeah, oh baby, it's my season. Straight up out the water, I'm so well, I'm artesian. Girl in my DM. Every time suspicion hit you, ask about this, she gon' swear that God she got amnesia. Even if she taken, I might still come for her like my name was Liam Neeson. I don't do no beating around the bush. That's a double entendre. Bitch, you wouldn't get it if you studied it for weekends. I'ma put a pause. Every rapper out here rapping like they got it all on. God, I'm so appalled. If I don't get the recognition now, that's okay because my hustle real strong. I could ball like Jabbar, club pack, wall to wall. Spring back on them cause I know summer, winter, summer, fall. Tell her she can take it if she want it. Bet you all the money that I got up in my pocket.
Okay, it's time to color. But first, don't forget to listen to sexy music.
Why you bullying me?
For sexy results. I really enjoyed this drawing this time. Drawing all the superhero in my own style was super fun. Okay, coloring done. Enjoy the review. Bye. Wait. Oh shit!
Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me.
Duh.